Going to study abroad opens the doors for many different things, and so I encourage everyone to study abroad and just to get out of the United States.
You don't realize what you can do globally until you really go abroad.
It just forced me to think a different way, which was really refreshing.
The point of studying abroad obviously is to get an education in another country, and that obviously was very important to all of us while we were there, but the experimental part of it also is extremely important to all of us.
I learned a lot about adaptability, which is really important in the workplace. You learn how to work with people that you never thought you would work with.
You think it doesn't relate to anything, because I mean my trip wasn't about textiles, it wasn't about medical textiles or anything like that. It was just history and language and culture of Cuba, the environment and history.
We had some very interesting professors that gave us a different perspective than what the College of Textiles does. We have amazing teachers here, but it is very focused on textiles, and we got to kind of look at more of the fashion side of things, and especially the international side. It was good to see how people from other parts of the world taught differently and viewed some of the concepts we had already learned in like a different way.
Of course you can put on your resume if like that's what you're going for, but it was also just like life-changing and enlightening, and it was so much fun. It was so worth it.
It's always a wonderful experience to just get out there and meet people, because you never know, you might meet someone that has the same interests as you and might have connections and be able to like, oh, I know this person, I can help you with this, this, and this, and this. And that's actually what happened on the trip.
It's a time to enjoy yourself and learn about yourself and learn about the industry. You just learn so much in such a short amount of time. It's really invaluable. You can't get that in a classroom.
You need to go. It is nothing but an enriching experience.
I studied abroad in Shanghai, China.
Havana, Cuba.
Shanghai, China.
One in London and one in Germany.
Melbourne, Australia.
And I also studied abroad in Shanghai, China.
Being abroad is easy. It's a lot easier than you think.